Welcome. I am inviting you to unwind, to relax, knowing that this voice, my voice, is your friend, is your spirit guide, is someone that you are safe with. I am inviting you to just unwind and to remember at the source of you who you are. For now, find a nice place and space where you can relax within your own body. Lie down, perhaps on your bed, if it is for you to find sleep for this coming night. Relaxing from head to toe as you are listening to my voice. This friend is simply allowing you to be in touch with how you feel. As you listening to my voice, your friend, this safe place that is built just for you, so you can unwind and relax at the source of your being. Now, let's together take a couple of cleansing breaths. Take a nice deep inhale. Hold at the top for just a few seconds. And now exhale. Let's do this again. Take a nice deep inhale. Hold at the top and exhale. One more time. Take a nice deep inhale. Hold at the top and exhale deeply. Now feel the weight of your toes, the weight of your fingertips, the weight of the back of your head, and just let the extremities of your body take you deeper and deeper within as you simply bring your awareness to your beautiful breath, your life force, who will take you to the deepest place within. Just remember to breathe and know that you're safe. Know that you are supported in everything that you do. That the spirit night are right here with you, ready to help you to find relaxation and manifestation. So while you sleep, you also have the ability to work deeply within your own intuition and power of manifestation. As you listen to my voice, and perhaps you'd rather think of your own spirit guide, perhaps your own religious figure. Perhaps it's someone else other than myself. Invoking a highest energy as you relax from head to toe. Find yourself going deeper and deeper as your body becomes very relaxed. Your heartbeat slows down as you relax. Let your mind unwind and know that you are safe, that you are complete, that you are peaceful and loved. As you're bringing your attention to the bottom of your feet, with your mind's eye, simply visualize and imagine a very powerful ball of light. As you see this ball of light, it's very pure, beautiful, loving, radiant light. See and visualize that ball of light entering your feet, from the base of the feet, entering your legs, spreading into different ball of lights in your body. And as this ball of light is rolling on and inside your body, it is a pure healing light who are together clearing all negative emotions or feeling or thoughts that perhaps you have been holding on from your day. Noticing this healing ball of light moving in different directions as it's healing all the bones, the cells, the ligaments, the organs, and the heart, melting like liquid light at the heart center, diving to your throat chakra, into your mouth. You can taste the sweetness of this light. Now healing your eyes. And this liquid light is entering all the place in your own brain, the front lobe of your brain and the back, spreading through the entire head, skull. Just notice as you go deeper and deeper within. Let this healing light resolve all negative blocks and take you to this peaceful, loving place within. My wish is that you will be at peace and feel the love and the healing that is occurring right now. Namaste.